deep freeze seems to be in the center of the country, heading down towards Texas. And those my American brothers and sisters, they're maybe the northern ones, but the southern ones, they're not ready for like that kind of cold hitting. So I don't know if the cold's going to make its way over to us, or if it's just going to keep going south. Let it go south. You know, I'll keep the mild. The only thing is when it's mild like this, is it, like when it snows, it's really heavy. Like today wasn't too bad because it got cold last night, so it kind of dried it out a bit, so it was kind of crusty a bit, so it was easier to, it still took me my normal time, because when it's light and puffy it's easier to move, or crusty it's easier to move, but it leaves it more of a mess, where when it's wet you take a scoop and it's gone, you know what I mean? Where this, it's all caves in on itself. Holy smokes. I think my eyeballs are going to rattle out of my head on this road. Like I say, 40, like that's going too fast. That's crazy. Big bad truck. See all those big bad truck guys? Yeah, they don't have to worry about those potholes like I do. Like I say, like last winter, it didn't even occur to me to worry about potholes and stuff. Although I had troubles with my truck last year too, so you wouldn't believe it, but I actually had trouble with some of my vehicles. Yeah, I know. I'm baffled too. Right? Me having, oh, there's the doggies. Oh, he's gonna run back and forth. He's usually always run back. Well, hey, check me out, my dog. Check me out. He's like, hey, you're gonna miss it. Hey, look, buddy, driving by. Hey, look, you're gonna miss it. Oh, there's a rut and a half. I think it was, yeah, sort of missed that one. That's what I need, is one of them's. But you can't get everywhere with the snowblower. That's the problem. Like a lot of places I got, there's like little, like maybe not garden gnomes, but stuff like that you got. It's under the snow, and it's like you hit it with the shovel, no problem. But you hit it with one of those, it's kind of catastrophic. There was a big rut. Where was it last time? I know I hit it. I'm pretty sure it was that one back there, but I hit it. I hit so hard, it was just kaboom. My poor silver pellet getting beat up by the road. The plow guys have been by. Their plow guys, they didn't come by yet, so. I got a vehicle behind me. Don't follow me. You're gonna hit all the potholes. Yeah. No shortage. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of this car Duke Boy style at my buddy Paul's. So I'm gonna go out the window. He's gonna laugh at me. I know he is. Because I would laugh at him if it happened to him. And it'd be harder for him because he's taller than me. I can't imagine him have to try to climb in from that side to this side. And this Civic is smaller than his. This is the 4-door and it's a 2007. And this thing, you don't get into it. You put it on. It's a tiny little car. It's like there's such a tight spot. Like in my truck, I wouldn't care because like I got basically a walkway right here. You know, the CRV you could do it. You could walk in from that. Remember when I pulled my door handle off on the CRV? It was like the same thing. That's probably what happened here. Was probably about to pull the door handle on, just disconnected it. Really a pain in the ass dealing with that. I gotta figure out how to open my door so I can get the panel off. Oh well. It's an anti-theft device. is they got more snow up here than at my place. Definitely. How many trucks does he have now? Oh, geez. I got quite a bit of metal from him past couple of years. Alright, almost at the highway of doom. Gotta love how unenthusiastic my wipers are. They're like, do I have to? Yes, you have to. Alright. Oh, yeah.